Hello everyone, this is Ashmita. In today's video, we are solving the CSAT paper of 2023. And here we are going to discuss about certain questions and which is the correct option and which are the incorrect options and why are we considering those as incorrect. We are going to discuss all of these in details. So let's get started. Our first question is consider the following statements. The first statement says some microorganisms can grow in environments with temperature above the boiling point of water. Now, talking about thermophiles are microorganisms with optimal growth temperatures between 60 degrees to 108 degrees Celsius. So they are isolated from a number of marine and terrestrial geothermally heated habitats, including shallow terrestrial hot springs, then hydrothermal vent systems, then sediment from volcanic islands, and deep sea hydrothermal vents. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees, that you all know, 100 degrees Celsius. So hence we can say that option 1 is obviously correct. Now considering option 2, some microorganisms can grow in environments with temperature below the freezing point of water. Now, microorganisms live in every part of the biosphere, and you all know about that. And some of them are even capable of growing at low temperatures, including including those below the freezing point also. Now, these microorganisms, they live in the sea or in the higher mountains, but unfortunately also in refrigerators, where they may spoil or as pathogens, they might contaminate the food. So hence, sentence 2 or statement 2 is also correct. Coming to the third statement, that is, some microorganisms can grow in highly acidic environment with a pH below 3. The microorganisms that grow optimally at pH which is less than 5.55 are called acidophiles. Like for example, the sulfur oxidizing sulfolobus is as an example I can give that. That is isolated from sulfur mud fields and hot springs in Yellowstone National Park, and they are the extreme acidophiles. So these archaea survive at pH of around 2.5 to 3.5. So again, we can say that the third point is also correct. So hence, it's better that we go with all the statements as the correct answers. Okay. So all the three statements are correct. Now, moving over to the next question. Which one of us a tool with a stick to scrape the insects from a hole in a tree or a log of wood? Your answer would be orangutan. Now, orangutans are the largest arboreal mammals, spending most of their time in the trees. Now, they have long, powerful, and grasping hands and feet that allow them to move through the branches. Now, these great apes, they share 96.4% of their genes, of our genes, and are highly intelligent creatures. And they have been like observed as using sticks for fishing, uh, for sorry, not for fishing, like for taking out the bugs from the barks of the trees. And researchers have also spotted orangutans using sticks to extract the seeds from fruit and scrape insects from a hole in a tree in the wild. So, yeah, The name orangutan means man of the forest in the Malay language, and in the lowland forests in which they reside, orangutans live solitary existences. So they feast on wild fruits like lychees, mangosteens, and figs, and slurp water from holes in the trees. So, yeah, they even make nests in the trees of vegetation to sleep at night and rest during the day. So, hence, we can say that orangutan would be the correct answer. Next, consider the following: aerosols, foam agents, fire retardants, and lubricants. Starting with hydrocarbons, hydrocarbons are a group of industrial chemicals which are primarily used for cooling and for refrigeration. HFCs or hydrofluorocarbons, they were developed to replace the stratospheric ozone depleting substances. And so these are the substances that are being currently phased out under the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. HFCs or hydrochlorofluorocarbons are entirely man made, and they are primarily produced for use in the refrigerators, air conditioning, insulating foams, and aerospace propellants, with minor uses as solvents and for fire protection. So, hydrofluorocarbons are not used for making lubricants. Hence, we can say that point 1, 2, and 3 are correct, but fourth is not correct. So, yeah, we can go with only 3 as the correct answer. Yeah, we are going to keep it till here today in this video. If you want to prepare with us for any kind of entrance exams, then you can join our classes for that. All the details are given in the description box below this video. Do check it and do enroll in our classes for proper guidance, preparation, study materials, and live lectures and um, doubt clearing sessions, mock tests. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the other videos.